If I ask you now, why do you want to quit YouTube? What will you tell me? Like you are trying to give up on YouTube. If I ask you why, what will you tell me? You will tell me lack of views, lack of subscription. No one is subscribing to your channel. No one is watching your videos. After putting hundreds of hours creating, editing, writing scripts, and then taking the shot, making the videos, after everything, you will have very few views or no views. In days, in months, in weeks. Now you're planning to quit YouTube because of lack of views, lack of subscribers. This is the reason why you want to quit. But do I have to tell you something? It is not your time to quit. It is not your time to quit YouTube. Let me tell you something you need to understand about how YouTube work. There is a machine. Each content creation platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, YouTube especially, there is a machine they call algorithm. Algorithm is a kind of an automatic machine that controls itself. It is preset to dictate your movement anytime you come online. For instance, now, if you just finish watching a video about how to make a cake, how to edit a video, and you still go on to search more about how to edit a video, there is a probability that when you want to see the next video, the YouTube will automatically show you a video about how to bake a cake. You'll be asking yourself, I think I've been looking for this particular thing and this YouTube just showed me now. That is the work of algorithm. Now, how does it connect with what I'm talking about? When you start making your videos on YouTube, the algorithm will come down to, check what your videos is all about. Some, it will take weeks, it will take months, it will take years. If you are consistent, it will not take long because the more you post, the more algorithm will understand the particular people that your video need to be shown to. Do you understand it now? The algorithm will be watching your movement. Maybe you come today, post about how to bake a cake, the best cake in the world, how to decorate a cake, how the cake. Then the algorithm will understand that your channel is all about baking of cake. And anybody who search about baking cake, the algorithm will automatically recommend your page, your channel to that particular person. And they show your channels to people who are looking for how to make cake on YouTube. So do you see it now? So the more you shoot and post, the more algorithm will recommend you to people that is interested in your topic. So quitting YouTube is not actually the best thing to do. No, calm down, keep working. And I must tell you, it is best investment because once your video starts going, even the ones you shoot 5 years ago, 3 years ago, will start coming live and the people will start watching it. That is why you need to put in work and be giving your best in any video you want to post on YouTube because it will still be there and it still be recommended to people next 10 years, next 20 years, next 15 years. That is how it is built. That is why YouTube is the best place. Do you understand? So do not quit. Keep on creating. Keep on pushing. Keep on fighting. Keep on doing your best. Keep on posting. Keep on uploading. And then one video, just one video will change the whole story. One single video of yours will change everything. That is how it works. That is how it is. Do not give up. Keep on creating. I'm here to motivate you just as I am motivating myself. You might create a video today, get 1 view, tomorrow, 1 view, next tomorrow, 3 views. Next week, 100 views. Next month, 500 to 1,000 views. So do you understand it now? That is YouTube for you. Do not give up. Keep on pushing hard. And I promise you, in no distant time, you will see that it is worth it. Subscribe to this channel if you find value to what I just said now.